Good morning, children. Welcome back to maths session. In yesterday's class, we have learned how to solve the problem by using the division symbol of that is division of integers. Clearly, we learn how to solve the problems of division of integers. And in the last previous classes, we learned how to do addition of integers, subtraction of integers, and multiplication of integers. Now, you all got a grip, means you all got a grip how to solve a problem by using a plus or minus symbol, either with addition of integers, a subtraction of integers, multiplication of integers, and division of integers. Okay, so now you have gone through everything. Now today we are going to discuss in exercise 1.1 the 8th sum. Okay, see here, verify a minus of minus b equals to a plus b for the following values of a and b. That means we have to verify these two. As I told you clearly, this is LHS, left hand side, and this is right hand side. What is there before equal to, that is called left hand side. After the equal to, it is called right hand side. Okay, we can write shortcuts LHS and RHS. And he has given the values of A and B. Okay, now see the verification now. So while you are writing this type of sums, first you have to write what I am given exercise 1.1, 8th sum. Okay, write question very clearly by seeing the textbook. Okay, but in the CW again I am sending you know, so go through that also. Okay, what is given here? Given A equals to 21, B equals to 18. So A value and B value is given. Now we will call it as a substitution. Okay, substitution means just replacement. Instead of A, you have to write 21. Instead of B, we have to write 18. Okay, now take LHS. LHS means what? Left hand side. What is left hand side in the given question? A minus of minus B. Okay. Now instead of A, that means A value 21. We have to write instead of A 21 here, minus bracket means of, minus B means 18. Okay, like this. Now 21 minus into minus plus 18. Okay, so minus of minus plus, so plus 18. Now add these two children. So 1 plus 8, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. So you got LHS 39. Is it clear? You got LHS 39. LHS means what? Left hand side. Now coming to RHS. RHS. Okay. So what is RHS here? A plus B. RHS is A plus B. Now what is A value? 21. So instead of A, we have to replace the value of A as 21 and B is 18. So B 18. So 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. So you got RHS also 39. That means by LHS and RHS, what do you understand? These two are equal. Okay. In the question what he has given, verify A minus of minus B equals to A plus B for the following values of A and B. So these are the values. Just he asked verify, but he did not say that these two are exactly equal. Means he is asking us to check whether these both are equal or not. Now what we did, we substituted the values in LHS side as well as RHS side. Then finally what you got? LHS 39 and RHS 39. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, LHS equals to RHS. That means what? A minus of minus B, that means this one, LHS, equals to RHS, A plus B. That means LHS equals to RHS. Verified. So did you verify? Yes. So hence verified. Hence verified. What you verified? That these two are equal. Okay. Is it clear, children? So now we'll go for the next sum. Okay. So this one I am going to give you in the classwork, but just go through the sum also. Listen every sum. Okay. See that in that third question we are doing again. There are 4 sums in 8th Roman. So I finished first one and now I am doing third one. So remaining 2 we can take it as a homework. Okay, don't worry, I'll write the diary, then you can note down your homework. See the solution now, children. Again, first you have to write given. Given A equals to 75, B equals to 84. Okay, given A value 75 and B value 84. Where the sum is going to get wrong means here only. In the first step itself is going to get wrong. Why? You may get doubt. Sir, why you will get in the first step only wrong means when you are copying the values of A and B, you have to see that both the answers are same. That means both the values are same or not. Then only you can proceed for further. Otherwise, what will happen? In the first step itself you are committing a mistake. Okay, next LHS. What is LHS? A minus of minus B. Okay. So what is A value, children, now? 75 minus of minus 84. So 75 minus into minus plus 84. Okay. Now 5 plus 4, 9. 8 plus 7, 15. 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 8, 15. Now I got a doubt, children. Are you going regularly you are learning tables and you are giving up to your parents? Yes or no? Who are reading the tables? Just send me one message, sir. I am giving the tables regularly to my parents. Okay? Very good, children. So I may ask immediately. I'll just, as I told you, no. Any one of the day I'll call you and ask in the phone call. Just I know all your names who are sending the name that I have listened the class. So I just kept your contact names. So immediately I'll call you and ask Satvik or Arun or something, any name like that I can call it. And I'll ask, just tell 8 table, 8 twos are how much, 8 fives are how much. Randomly I may ask in the through phone call also. So get ready for that. Okay. Now, so this is LHS. Next, RHS means right hand side. Right hand side means A plus B. A plus B. What is A value? 75 plus what is B value? 84. Okay, again 5 plus 4, 9, 7 plus 8, 15. So total 159. And if you clearly observe here, LHS also 159 and RHS also 159. Therefore what happened? LHS equals to RHS. That means A minus of minus B equals to A plus B. So is it clear, children? So this is the third sum. So this one also you have to note down in your CW. Okay. Now see the same exercise only. If you clearly observe there, the 7th question. In a magic square, each row column and diagonal have the same sum, check which of the following is a magic square. Okay, so until unless we solve the problem, we cannot say that it is a magic square or not. But how? What is the clue he has given? See, we have to follow that clue. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. That means what? Row, column and diagonal should have the same answer, same solution. If they have the same solution, then it is called a magic square. Now see here. So you just copied from the textbook 7th question, okay? And I am explaining you first sum in that. This is the first sum I am explaining you. Now, sum of the rows. Rows means like this. 5 minus 1 minus 4. Minus 5 minus 2 7. 0 3 minus 3. So these all we have to add. See, I am taking first row now. Sum of the rows. Now we are discussing about only rows. So what is the first row here? 5. 5. Sum means addition. So plus. What is the number here? Minus 1. Plus. What is the number here? Minus 4. Okay, add this now. 5 plus of minus minus 1 plus of minus minus 4. So that is 5 minus 1 minus 4. Both are negative. As I told you, both are negative symbols. We have to add and we have to write symbol minus. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 minus 5 what? 0. That means sum of the rows we got 0. Next, second one. Minus 5 plus of minus 2 plus 7. Okay. Minus 5 plus of minus minus 2 plus 7, that equals to, both are negative symbols. That means we have to add both negative. So minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7 plus 7. Okay. So that is total 0. Because 1 minus and 1 plus means you have to do subtraction. So minus 7 plus 7. So 7 minus 7 is 0. And as I told you that if they both are same numbers with different symbols, we can cancel easily. So then also answer is 0. Next, go with this. 0 plus 3 plus of minus 3 equals to 0 plus 3 minus 3. So 0 have no value. Now 3 minus 3 is 0. That means if you clearly observe that all the rows got the answer 0. Observe here. All the rows you got the answer 0. Similarly, we have to check with now columns. Okay, 5 minus 1 0. These are columns. 5 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 2 3, minus 4 7 and minus 3. Now sum of the columns. Sum means plus. Okay. So 5. I am showing you. 5 plus minus 5 plus 0. Okay. So here if you observe here 5 plus of minus 5 minus 5. So 0 have no value. No need to write. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Next. Second column, minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. Okay, so minus 1 plus into minus minus 2 plus 3. Okay, so minus 1 minus 2 both are negative. So what to do? We have to add. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus 3. So 1 minus 3 plus 3 what? 0. Okay. Next. 0 plus 3 plus of minus 3 equals to 0 plus 3 plus into minus minus 3. Okay. Now 0 have no value. 3 minus 3 is 0. So even columns also we got 0. Now diagonal in the sense means you may get out what is diagonal. Diagonal means from this end to this end, like this, like a cross. Multiplication means 5 minus 2 minus 3. This is one diagonal. Another diagonal minus 4 minus 2 0. Okay. So what is the first diagonal? 5 minus 2 minus 3. Another diagonal minus 4 minus 2 0. Okay. Now first diagonal 5 minus 2 plus minus 3. Okay, equals to 5 plus into minus minus 2 plus into minus minus 3. So 5 both are negative. So minus 2 and minus 3 both are negative. What to do? We have to add. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Next, this diagonal. This diagonal is over. Now this diagonal. Minus 4 plus of minus 2 plus 0. Okay. Now minus 4 plus of minus minus 2 plus 0. Now minus 4 minus 2 both we have to add. So minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. 6 plus 0 is minus 6 only. So what happened? Up to here every solution is 0. But at the end when you are adding this diagonal minus 4 minus 2 0, you did not get minus 6. So what we have to write now? As the diagonal we did not get the 0, as one of the diagonal, you can write like this, as one of the diagonal did not get 0, therefore it is not a magic square. Therefore it is not a magic box. Is asking question. Magic square only. Therefore it is not a magic square. So did you understand clearly, children? Now this one also I am going to give in the classwork. You can copy very neat. Okay. Is it clear now? See here, rows means like this: 5 minus 1 minus 4, for minus 5 minus 2 7, 0 3 minus 3. Columns: 5 minus 5 0 minus 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 7 minus 3. Diagonals: 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 2 and 0. So is it clear now? Up to here it is clear. Okay, children. Now all of you open your textbook and see exercise 1.3, page number 21. Okay, in that first Roman already we completed. Now second sum I am doing. Okay, so write that question there. Verify the following. In that two sums are there. I am doing the first sum in that. See here, same like before only. So AB 18 into 7 plus of minus 3. Okay, this is called a square brackets closed, equals to square brackets, that is 18 into 7, which is there in the square brackets, plus of 18 into minus 3. Okay, now take LHS, left hand side. LHS means left hand side. What is left hand side? 18 into bracket 17 plus of minus 3. Okay, now 18 into plus bracket 7 plus into minus means when he has given this bracket means first we have to simplify what is there in this bracket. Okay, when he has the question is given like this, we have to simplify what is there in this bracket. Simplify means we have to solve this problem first, what is there inside the bracket. Now plus into minus, minus 3. Okay, now 18 into 7 minus 3, 4, right? 7 minus 3, 4. Now, see, if you know the multiplications, now it's very easy. You can do like this. 4 8s are 32. Yes? 3 left. 4 1s are 4. 5, 6, 7. So, calculation became very easy if you know the tables. Otherwise, you have to go to rougher. 4 8s are 32. Take 3 in a mind. 4 1s are 4. 5, 6, 7. So, time waste. So, once you know this type multiplication very clearly, you can do then and there only. Okay, next. Coming to RHS. Coming to RHS, 18 into 7, bracket closed, plus 18 into minus 3. Okay. Now 18 into 7, bracket is there, means first we have to multiply these two. 7 8s are 56. Okay, 7 8s are 56, 5 left. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So 126. Once check it. 7 8s are 56, 5. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. So 126. Next, plus. Here minus is there. Okay. So write minus. So 18 3s are. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. So 2 left. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So minus 54. Okay. Now 126 plus into minus. This bracket tells you into. So plus into minus, minus 54. Now you know what to do. 1 plus and 1 minus means you have to do subtraction. So 6 minus 4, 2. 12 minus 5, 7. Okay. 12 minus 5, 7. So 72. LHS 72, RHS 72. So therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Hence verified. Is it clear now? Hence verified. Okay. Now by this we can finish up at least 50% of the syllabus. I think Monday in the next class, because 3 days mine and 2 days sir's class. So in the next class, get ready for the test. What topics I covered, on those topics only I am going to conduct a test. Okay? Is it clear, children? The test also I'll tell you the rules and regulations on Monday. Okay? So just go through all the sums and update your CW. Okay? And you all know that I am giving you in CW also. So please update your CW and as well as homework. And are you checking the homeworks with my key? Daily I am sending and the next day. Okay? I think you are very good children doing that. Okay? So now we will go for homework. So all of you take out your diary, children. Okay, all of you open your diary and note down here 16/06/21 Wednesday. Okay, maths homework. Chapter 1, exercise 1.1. Okay, 7th Roman, second question, because already I finished first one, and 8th Roman I finished first one and third one. So we have left with second one and fourth one. So chapter 1, exercise 1.1, 7th Roman second one, and 8th Roman second and fourth. So these two sums homework. And open your page number. Shall I write even page number here? This is exercise 1.1, page number 5. Okay, next exercise 1.3. See, nicely we are finishing the syllabus like anything. Okay, so concept wise. So exercise 1.3, second Roman, B bit. Okay, because we left with only one sum, because already just now we finished one sum in second Roman. Now second Roman, B bit. Now how many sums? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very few sums I given. So in the next class we are going to start even worksheet. As I told you and I showed you the book, what is the book available in the school worksheet. That also we will start giving the homework from that also. Okay. So get ready with that, children. So have a nice weekend, children.